अल्हम्दुलिल्लाहि रब्बिल आलमीन वस्सलातु वस्सलामु अला सय्यिदिना व मौलाना मुहम्मदिल्लज़ी काना अलिय्यन फी दरजाती फातिमन फी तत्हीराती हसनन फी सिफाती शहीदन फी तजल्लियाती ज़ैनल आबिदीन बिइबादाती बाक़िरन फी इल्मिल अव्वलीन वल आखिरीन बिमालूमाती सादिक़न फी अक़वाली काज़िमन फी जमीअ अहवाली मुतमक्किनन फी मक़ामिर रज़ा जवादन कफ़्फ़हु इंदल अता हादियन इला सबीलिन नजात अस्करिय्यम मअल गुज़ात महदियन इला तरीक़िल यक़ीन गौसल आलमीन मुईनल मिल्लति वद्दीन अशरफल अव्वलीन वल आखिरीन सल्लल्लाहु व सलामुहु अलैहि व अला आलिहि व सहाबिहि अजमईन। अम्मा बाद फ़अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम कुल्लु नफ्सिन ज़ाइक़तुल मौत सल्लल्लाहु इन्नल्लाह व मलाइकतहु युसल्लूना अलन नबी या अय्युहल्लज़ीना आमनू सल्लू अलैहि व सल्लिमू तस्लीमा अल्लाहुम्मा सल्लि अला सय्यिदिना मुहम्मदिन व आलि सय्यिदिना मुहम्मदिन व बारिक वसल्लिम कमा तुहिब्बु व तुरदा bi an tusalli alayhi। To be very frank, for your kind information, I am only Abdullah. You can say Ali Rasulullah, but don't say Waliullah. अब हमारे मौलाना जामी ने कह दिया है तो मैं इसे दुआ समझूंगा कि अल्लाह इसे कबूल कर ले। To be very frank, I'm not interested to be Waliullah. I'm not interested to be Ghaus and Khwaja and Qutub Abdal. No. I'm interested only, oh my Murshid, write my name in your good book. Kullu nafsin, every nafs, Zaiqatul Maut, Zaiqa, taste of death. According to Quran, death is tasteful. If no taste, no Zaiqa, how Quran will say Zaiqatul Maut? Without Zaiqa? What is taste? How much for taste? You cooked chicken korma. You want to examine, is it right or some fault or wrong in cooking? So you will put a drop of soup and you will put on your hand and touch the tongue. Ah, salt is enough. Garam masala, very nice. Perfect. Nothing less, nothing more. Normal, very good. This is taste. वो शोरबे का एक ड्रॉप हाथ में लेकर जबान पे रखने को टेस्ट करना बोलते हैं, चखना। चखना मौत का मजा चखना है, वहां भी चखना है। तो चखना कितना है? ड्रॉप एनफ चखने के लिए, टू टेस्ट एनफ। If any woman 12 boti and 15 roti eating, I asked, what are you doing? She said, चख रही हूं। जब चखने का ये हाल होगा तो खाने का तो चखना, little bit put on the tongue, one drop, that will not go to throat. पेट तो पेट, थ्रोट में भी नहीं जाएगा। तो मौत बस ऐसे ही है, और उसमें मजा है, उसी मजा को चखना है। Death does not come to destroy the person. No power in death to destroy anyone. No power in the death to destroy anyone. Only power to transfer anyone. Transfer. No finish transfer. This is not first transfer. 1, 2. This is third transfer. I will tell you all transfers. First of all, Allah ordered us, we were in the world of souls. Order of Allah. Soul. We were in the world of soul. 4 years old boy in my family, 4 years, his son and his grandson and his grandson is still in the world of souls, waiting the time. So Allah Ta'ala ordered us, leave the world. I left the world of souls and came into womb of mother. 7 months, 8 months, 9 months, 10 months, जब तक खुदा ने चाहा, I was in the womb of mother. He ordered transfer. I came in this world. 60, 50, 55, 80, 80 plus, 90. जब तक खुदा ने चाहा हम यहाँ थे. Order. Transfer. I went into grave. I changed the world. 10,000, 50,000, Allah knows better how many years. But He will order. Transfer. I will go from grave to hereafter. Day of judgment. How many times in day of judgment I will expend, I don't know. Allah will order with mercy, blessing, transfer. I entered into paradise. I started my journey from the world of souls, and end of the journey is paradise, to where I did. When I did, मैं मरा कहाँ, मैं खत्म कहाँ हुआ, मैं फिनिश कब हुआ, मैं ही तो था. World of soul में I was, in the womb of mother I was, in the world I am, in the hereafter I, in the hereafter I in grave I in paradise I. So I existence completing continuous from this world to another world. Yet transfer हुआ है, but there are different way of transfer. From soul, word of soul, Amre Rabbi, order of my Lord, for the transfer of the soul into womb of mother. It was the order, reason, order of Allah. From the womb of mother transfer to this world, reason, labor pain. Labor pain. If labor is not increasing, doctor will inject to increase the pain. Pain is a reason. Pain is a reason of transfer. And from this world to grave, reason, death. And from grave to hereafter, reason, Surah Israfil. And from day of judgment to paradise, mercy of Allah and support of Prophet. Shafaat Rasul. Ummati, Ummati in the world of soul. Ummati in the womb of mother. Ummati in this world. Ummati in grave. Ummati in hereafter. Ummati in paradise. Ummati is not destroyed. So when मौत उम्मती को नहीं मार पाई तो नबी को क्या मार पाई?
Ya Rasulullah.
I want to more explain it. मौत का आना, coming of death is different, stay of death is different. कुरान ने कहा कुल्लु नफ्सिन ज़ाइक़तुल मौत, मौत का मजा चखना है, मौत आएगी, 100% मौत आएगी. We are ready to welcome our death. Come on. लेकिन रह नहीं जाएगी, क्योंकि आना और है, रह जाना. मैं अपने बहुत अजीज और दिल के करीब दोस्त भाई शब्बीर मरहूम के घर आया हूं. मैं आया हूं ना, आया हूं तो क्या रह जाऊंगा? अबे आना और है, रह जाना और है. आप लोग आए हो, रहोगे? इतनी बड़ी भीड़ कहाँ रखूं? इतने तो बेड भी नहीं है. तो आना इज डिफरेंट, रह जाना इज डिफरेंट. कुरान ने आने के लिए कहा है, रह जाने को नहीं कहा. तो मौत का आना और है और मौत का टिक जाना, रुक जाना, रह जाना और है. वो तो आई, खत्म. क्योंकि अगर वो रह गई तो सवाल का जवाब कौन देगा? Who will reply in questions in grave? When angel will ask, Man Rabbuka, who is your Lord? I am dead. It means death came and out. तो वो हमें ये दुनिया से, तो डेथ इज ए ब्रिज, जस्ट लाइक ए ब्रिज टू ट्रांसफर ए पर्सन फ्रॉम दिस साइड टू अनदर साइड. अगर मौत आएगी तो मर जाएगा. हाउ डू यू से? मौत तो हर नफ्स को आएगी. तो क्या सब मुर्दा है? डेथ does not come to make you dead, only comes to transfer you. मौत आई फिर भी मैं मुर्दा नहीं हूं. वो कैसे? चलो कुरान से पूछते हैं. ए कुरान, हु इज डेड? टेल मी हु इज अलाइव. आंसर फ्रॉम कुरान. हुजूर सल्लल्लाहु ताला अलैहि वसल्लम giving dawat of Islam to disbelievers. And disbelievers were denying. Holy Prophet, more praise. They denied more. Sarkar insisting too much, they are denying too much. Among this situation, Jibreel Amin came and said, Allah is saying you, Innaka la tusma'ul mauta. The dead, never listen your words. So who is dead? Who is denying Holy Prophet?
Subhanallah.
Abu Jahl denied. Abu Lahab denied. Akbar Shaiba denied. Quran declared, Innaka la tusma'ul mauta. Mauta. They are mauta. They are dead. Never listen you. Never follow you. Never follow you and never listen your words. Dead is still alive. Respiration continue. Heart beating continue. Circulation of blood continue. And Quran is saying dead. He is looking by eyes. Abu Jahl talking by tongue. Listening by ear. Eating by mouth. Walking by legs. Lifting by hand. Running, walking, sleeping, talking, laughing. And what Quran says about him? Mauta. Dead. Body saved. Soul in the body. But dead. Soul out from body. That is not death. Soul in the body and denying Prophet, that is death.
Subhanallah, subhanallah, subhanallah.
Otherwise, look another so many verses in Holy Quran. Abu Jahl, Abu Lahab जिंदा है, मरा नहीं. मलकल मौत आकर एंजिल ऑफ डेथ सोल को निकाला नहीं है, मुर्दा है. अबू जहल अबू लहब जिंदा है मगर मुर्दा है. देखने में बात करता, खाता पीता, उठता बैठता, चलता फिरता, मगर मुर्दा है. बट डेड. और दूसरा आदमी जिसने राह खुदा में अपनी गर्दन कटाई.
सुभानअल्लाह, सुभानअल्लाह, सुभानअल्लाह.
सर कहीं है, तन कहीं है. नेक कट बाय sword in the holy war on the way of Allah.
Subhanallah.
He killed by enemy of Islam. Chest cut. Liver, kidney came out and cutting by teeth. Body cut into pieces. Circulation of blood is stopped. Respiration is stopped. Body cold. No movement in the body. I thought he's dead. But Holy Quran declared no. لا تقولوا لمن يقتل في سبيل الله أموات بل أحياء.
Subhanallah, subhanallah.
Don't say dead. Don't say dead. Who gave his life in the way of Allah. Not only he's saying don't say, but he's giving certificate bal ahya, because he's alive.
Subhanallah, subhanallah.
Ruh went out, he's alive. And Jinn of death came and took soul. He took soul of Amir Hamza. And just took soul of Farooq Azam, Usman Ghani, Maula Ali. But everybody is alive. If you will say murda, so you will be out of Islam. You denied Quran. You denied Quran. La taqulu Don't say, La tahsabanna alladhina qutilu fi sabilillah amwata. Don't think he is dead. One verse says, don't say. Another verse says, don't think. Don't say. The connection of saying by tongue and pen. You can say anything by pen or you can say by tongue. And think by heart and brain. And Allah logged all. Logged your tongue, don't say. Logged your pen, don't say. And logged your brain, don't think.
Subhanallah, subhanallah.
This is the dignity of that moment who gave his life in the way of Allah. Abu Jahl was walking and talking, but in the eyes of Quran he is dead. Amir Hamza cut, sold out, but in the eyes of Quran he is alive. What is the reason of death and what is the reason of life? Why Abu Jahl was dead before death? And why Amir Hamza is alive after death? तो बात ये है कि